I'm at Jerry's house looking at 120,000 BTU furnace, 5-ton coil. Look at replacing all of this, obviously modifying the PVC piping. He's got 3-inch here. He's got another 2-inch that looks like they started to run and just put a stop on it. We want to cut this out. We can leave it at 2-inch, but just increase it to 3-inch because it'll be for the fresh air. Just increase it to 3-inch once we get past the little concrete slab here. So just stub in a little 2-inch piece of PVC. Maybe you have to 90 down a little bit or 45 down and then convert to 3-inch. Bring that across and then hit the new unit. Obviously modifying the piece that's here. We want to get this thing set on the ground. We're going to take off these controls. It's just a little sheet metal plate that we have to take off here, and then we're going to put in a canvas connector with the 1-inch flames at the top. New return air drop. That's going to be 11 by I think it's 26. And then we're going to do a wraparound with 2 8-inch vertical elbows coming around the back side of this system here, wrapping around to the new furnace. And then we have air cleaners on both sides. So looking at about 15 inches over here. I measured where that gas line is. We'll be fine. And then what else is going to bring up to you guys? Oh, the line set. So this comes over. Just need a 25 footer. This comes over and comes right out through here. With the new line set. This is a zoning system, so pretty much thermostats are staying. The zoning system is all just getting wired back up to the new furnace. We are pulling out the EAC, and we are pulling out the old humidifier. We're going to get this humidifier out and put in April Air 700. I know that's going to be a little bit bigger. We can look at either mounting on a return, or we can look at making a humidifier box for that. And so basically all that return duct on this side is coming out. And then we'll modify by doing a wraparound and set this on the ground, just because our new coil is not going to fit in this spot. So we need to bring this back down to the ground. And I believe that's it. We got a 60 amp breaker, so we'll have to fuse it properly at the disconnect. Drains, PVC, just running over to the drain right here. Pretty straightforward. If you guys think you can, there's a little piece of conduit right here. I don't know if we can bring this a little bit closer to the dampers and then flare that plenum a little bit. If not, I think we'll be all right. He's had good airflow and the system's worked just fine for a long time. He's just looking to replace and get more efficient, get rid of the R22 refrigerant, and take advantage of some of the rebates.